Hello and welcome to your daily dose of Satoshi's news. Today's date is Wednesday, the 25th of September 2024, the year of 1 million transactions per second or more. Experience the best of both worlds today at betbitcoinsv.com, the best casino and sports betting on chain. Have a little flutter in private using the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's see what we've got in store for us today on this show. We've got Crypto Potato reporting on 15 years later, Satoshi era wallets move Bitcoin mined in early 2009. We've also got some other people reporting on this as well. It looks quite exciting. A bit of an article here on Australia to require crypto firms to hold a financial services license. More crap, they're trying to crack down on it. And then we'll just go through some more of the figures and that'll be at the end of the show. Right, let's get into it.
Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong and transactions flying free. Just wait for the terror node, you'll surely see.
Right then, so this says 15 years later, Satoshi era wallet moves Bitcoin mined in early 2009 data. The entity still owns almost $80 million in BTC. A dormant Bitcoin whale address was reactivated earlier today. This is yesterday, according to data from Arkham Intelligence, and has moved 5 BTC to the crypto exchange Kraken. So we've had what, $1.8 billion moved to Binance, and now we've got $80 million worth to move to Kraken. Watch this space. This was their third BTC transfer in the past week after being silent for a decade, said the popular resource. Arkham data shows that the wallet received the Bitcoin stash during BTC's first couple of months of existence, meaning that it had to be somewhere between January and March 2009, given the network's launch on the 3rd of January that year. The whale made several transfers of their BTC stash between 2011 and 2014 to exchanges and other addresses, after which they stopped moving funds. It's worth noting that the value of their holdings has skyrocketed from under $500,000 in 2014 to approximately $80 million as of today's price. The whale woke up 3 weeks ago, making 3 separate transactions for 10 BTC in total, according to Arkham's portal. They still own 1,215 BTC worth $77 million. That's crazy. The amount of sums in crypto, like, good grief, it's just nuts, you know. I mean, you know, 1 million used to be a lot, you know. Now, you know, if you haven't got 1 billion, then you're a gutter rat. Like, jeepers. So Arkham says an ancient Bitcoin wallet just sent BTC to Kraken. A Bitcoin whale holding $77 million worth of BTC mined in Bitcoin's first 2 months just moved 5 BTC to Kraken. In his address, the whale still holds 1,215 BTC, which is 77 million. His Bitcoin had been mined in 2009 in February and March, 1 month after. Arkham also pointed out another wallet which recently re-emerged after 15 years of complete silence. Their stash was also received during Bitcoin's first months and was worth $16 million, which is 250 BTC at the time. Crypto Potato reported in early August about another dormant wallet that was active during Satoshi Nakamoto's days. It earned 250 BTC in May 2010 and transferred the stash to 5 new wallets last month. You know? And, you know, the market isn't beginning to get a little shaky. I would be if I was holding BTC. There's no point in sending BTC to an exchange other than to dump it. Like, literally no other reason. There's literally no reason to have it on an exchange, and to risk having it on an exchange, should I say? You know, not at all. Good grief. So let's have a look at these articles then here. So we got BitCrash saying a Tulip era wallet coin's on the move again. These are the addresses. So this is 2011. 50 BTC. Let's have a look. A dormant address containing 50 BTC, which is 3,173,594 USD, has just been activated after 13.3 years. 13.3 years. Good grief. And let's see what Bitcoin Magazine says about it. So they said just in, Satoshi era Bitcoin wallet holding 77 million BTC just moved 5 BTC mined in 2009. The owner of the wallet hodled from $0 to a $63,000 legend. Yeah, I wondered who would have the foresight to do that and not be spending 10,000 BTC on pizza and kind of stuff. You know, I wonder who would hold it for a future purpose, a very important future purpose. I wonder. Not that this lot would ever, pretend they know what I was talking about. I've also posted this that this is why the world needs Bitcoin. So manufactured profit and losses can't be generated again. You know, it's all about just getting everybody in debt, using taxpayer money. You've got to bail the banks out. I mean, look at that. That is outrageous. So this is the source, which is the FDIC. It says, note, insured call reports fillers only. Unrealized losses on securities solely reflect the difference between the market value and the book value of non-equity securities as of quarter end. But I mean, look at that in comparison to 2008, which was like a financial crisis. I mean, look at that. That is just insane. Yeah, there's something big coming. I mean, they have to do something, just like when they created the Great Depression, and they used that as an excuse to mandate or insist that all the citizens of the United States hand their gold into the banks. So then they could basically. Everybody would then be using the US dollar, and nobody would be, because they knew that gold would go through the roof the moment they started printing dollar. But they had to basically trash the economy and say, "Oh, right, well, if you don't do this, this is the only way to get out the economic mess that we're in." Even though they generated it, we're seeing it time and time again. They're going to do it again. They're going to do it again, as they always have done. I also noted here, so we got we'll look at the figures in a minute, but we got Bitcoin spiking against Gregcoin. I wonder if that's anything to do with my SGN on video, I wonder. We'll have a look at that in just a second. This is awesome, though. So, OneRootSV said, as posted here, running Terranode in ode to Hal Finney when he said running Bitcoin. Running Terranode, that is awesome. And Curtis said here, September 24, 2024, at 2:24 CST, although Root is saying it's actually 2:18 PM. Gorilla Pool started running Terranode. That is awesome. That is awesome, honestly. Makes my heart sing when you realise that that's basic. Terranode is the holy grail that everybody in Bitcoin has been waiting for. The miners, particularly us lot in the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin, because we know that Bitcoin is an economic model, not like these other douchebags who just think it's all about number go up. Well, it doesn't matter if number goes up when there is 0 block reward. How are the miners going to sustain themselves when there is 0 block reward? Doesn't matter if number go up. There's nothing for the number to go up on. You need transaction volumes. That's what Bitcoin is all about. But you try and explaining it. You try and explaining that to these douchebags. Good grief. Let's have a quick look at this then. Australia to require crypto firms to hold a financial services license. Licensing requirements for crypto exchanges in Australia will be extended beyond those related to digital currency exchanges. Australian regulators, who we've seen are absolutely criminal during the COVID era, are reportedly preparing a new guidance to require cryptocurrency exchanges to obtain financial services licenses. Again, they've got no authority to dish out a license, because you can't license a crime, so therefore it's not a crime to operate a crypto exchange anyway. Licensing requirements for crypto exchanges in Australia are set to be extended beyond those related to digital currency exchanges, the Australian Financial Review reported. According to the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, Commissioner Alan Cockland, the new requirements are necessary because the regulator considers that the Corporations Act captures most major crypto assets like Bitcoin. That therefore referring to Gregcoin there. The Commissioner disclosed the authority's plans at the ARF or AFR Crypto and Digital Assets Summit in Sydney on September 23rd. New regulatory guidance to be released in the coming months. The ASIC is preparing to update the Corporations Act Information Sheet 2225 to provide more clarity on how particular crypto tokens and certain products should be treated from a regulatory perspective, Kirkland reported, saying before his appearance at the event. Yeah, well, how about calling out illegal, unregistered, economically worthless, toxic securities fraud, like fiat currency, like all these shitcoins? How about doing that if you actually did your job properly? These regulators are utterly incompetent. Utterly incompetent. They've got no right whatsoever issuing licenses when they don't even know the difference between a digital commodity and a digital security. Like, utterly incompetent. But if you ask me, I think it's all done on purpose. Right, let's have a quick look at some figures then. CoinDance, reporting the price is 51. Prev top left saying 50.72. Let's have a look at the block size coming through. Oh, almost a gigabyte block there. Come on. So close. Oh, no. Oh, look at 999,972 megabytes. Almost a gigabyte. I haven't seen one of those bad boys in a long time. That's fantastic to see. It is 46,000 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Gregcoin, but you're mining Bitcoin at a 30.3 comparable loss to Gregcoin, but that just simply shows you the competition for Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the politics here and the hash rate. So Gregcoin, other miners 0.69 on there. Bcrash, other miners about 60%. Fisher Price Cash, who cares? And then we've got the one that CoinDance are hiding the figures on, so never mind about that. Let's have a look at this video here with SGN on. How many views have we got? 56,200. This is going to be one of the best performing videos on the channel, certainly in the last few weeks. Let's have a look at this. I do videos here. 5.2, 4.3, 19.4, 15.1, 21 views, 23,000, and here's my one, 56,000. Anywhere close? Oh, we got one on Donald Trump with 93, a 43-minute video. Okay, so that's one video that's in front. We've still got a few days to catch up on that, maybe. Look at that. Oh, where are we? Good grief. 13, 17, oh, 59. 59k views. That was 17 days ago with Barbara Guth. So 59, and we are on 56, but that was only 2 days ago. Her video was 17 days ago. Come on. Let's have some of that. Let's have a look at Neil Oliver's video where he mentions Bitcoin. It looks like the views are sort of starting to slow down there. 160,691 views on that one. Whoa, what is this? What happened there? What's going on here? What, did I just miss something? What on earth? Price, that looks bizarre. See if we can figure this out. So this is today over 24 hours. So that looks like it might be the result of the SG Anon video. Yeah, that could definitely be the result of the SG Anon video. Look at that. It's trending sideways again, and then just shot up a little bit there. Woof. Nice. Where was the? I'll have a look at the map. See if we can see the Mount Oliver video. That was the SG Anon Mount SG Anon. Oh. Have some of that. So Neil Oliver's video was 3 weeks ago. So that was 3 weeks ago. Let's have a look at this then. Oh, look at that. That's Mount Oliver there. Oh. Yeah, oh, jeepers. That's that's Mount Oliver. Whoa. There we go. Jeepers. Well, that's Mount Oliver there. Had a nice run there. And then we got Mount SG Anon right here. Loving that. Getting the genuine Bitcoin getting some attention, and deservedly so. Okay, that Mount Oliver was pretty big there. Awesome. You know, we're all waiting for the God candle. We can feel it. Yeah, there we go. As reported on Orange Gateway. Great stuff. Let's have a look at that compared to USD. What is that all about? Don't be trading against USD on Orange Gateway, peeps. Jeepers. Jeepers. You will have your trousers pulled down. Absolutely. Look at that. That is outrageous. That's outrageous. Let's have a look at the overall market. $2.2 trillion. Let's have a look at Greg Coin. Volume to market cap is just 2%. Let's have a look at the price there. Just trending sideways and then downwards a little bit. Right, interesting. Let's have a look at Bitcoin here then. Where are we? Where is it? Number 69. Yeah, look at that. Gone up, and it had that's the the SG mount, I would say. Mount SG. SG and on mount. Loving that. So what we got here, just 1.7% trading volume is $17 million trading volume. Might have to start having a look at that one. Market cap just under $1 billion, 998 million. All right, and there we go. That'll be the end of the show. A nice, just sort of quarter of an hour. Great stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. So as ever, if you enjoy these updates, please ding your donations for your appreciation to either Satoshi@Sempi.com, Handcash.io, Simply.cash, Relasia.com, Rockwallet.me, or Senti.ch. We'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.